What if a machine could read your mind? Not a science fiction movie, but real, working technology that turns your thoughts into images, words, or even videos. Sounds impossible? Think again. Welcome to the mind-blowing world of brain-reading AI. Scientists have been decoding brain activity for years using devices like fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging. fMRI scans track blood flow in the brain to detect which areas are active when you think, imagine, or see something. But here's where things get crazy. When combined with powerful AI models like diffusion-based image generators, those brain signals can now be translated into pictures. In other words, the AI can reconstruct what you were looking at or even thinking about. It's not perfect, yet, but it's real. In Japan, researchers at Osaka University trained a deep learning model using brain scans and Stable Diffusion, a popular AI image generator. Volunteers looked at thousands of pictures while inside an fMRI machine. The AI learned to match specific brain patterns with visual features, color, shape, even facial expressions. The results? AI-generated images eerily similar to what the person was seeing. Sometimes blurry, sometimes abstract, but often shockingly accurate. Meta, yes, Facebook's parent company, is also developing neural decoding systems that could help turn thoughts into speech, or even control devices with your mind. Why does this matter? Imagine a world where stroke victims or paralyzed individuals could communicate just by thinking, or controlling a smartphone with your mind instead of your fingers. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are already being explored by companies like Neuralink, Synchron, and Kernel. Combined with AI, the possibilities expand exponentially. But there's a darker side. What happens when thoughts can be decoded without consent? Could governments or corporations misuse this tech? Privacy and autonomy are now more critical than ever. We're still far from full mind reading. Today's models need expensive machines and can only guess simple patterns. But at the pace AI is evolving, we might not be too far from seamless thought-to-image or thought-to-text tools. The line between brain and machine is blurring. And once that line disappears, we won't just be using technology, we'll become part of it. Mind-reading AI, science fiction, no more. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe to Metabyte. The future is closer than you think. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Metabyte channel for more AI and future-related videos.